All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 low top. Let me go back a little bit on this. Boom, 1500 low top with 23,000 miles, I believe. Super nice. White with black vinyl interior. AM FM stereo system, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper. Get this thing going. Boom. Looks pretty decent. Here we got some, like, this seems like it suffered a small hit here. So this is what you got there for it. Everything else looks good. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here you got some scuffing on here. Here's your front driver's steel wheel and your tire thread. It's at over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread still got a bunch of tits on it. It's 830 seconds. A little scratchy there, another one over here. Some more little chippies there. Hard to see them. Of course, you got your power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with the one key fob combo. Here it is, one key fob combo, and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. It's your AM FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. You got some cup holders right here. All right, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues? Your mileage of 23,511. Keeping it moving, keep the lights on. Coming around, blah, blah, blah. We look pretty good so far. Yeah, got a little dent here. Got another dent over here, 3, 6. All right. These doors do swing out. As you can see, this one's looks pretty good. Normally these back panels are all crushed. This one looks good as well. Very nice. So what this looks like over here, very nice. This is what your rear trunk space or cargo area looks like. This here got a couple of dents here, a couple there, some small little dingies there. This one on top I seem to have a bigger ding. Lights on top are working. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. All right. All right. This door looks good as well. Looks good as well. This trunk looks pretty decent here. Here's your rear passenger rim. Steel wheel. Your tire thread is 730 seconds. Yep. 730 seconds. So just under 730 seconds actually. And some heavy scratching here. No biggie. Oh, what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. Very nice. And this door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your front passenger steel wheel. Looks good. Tire thread is at 1030 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working, things are running, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 23,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.